Hey Nintendo fans, it's TheJWittz here with an awesome program that I've been working on with Twitch and Truth. It's got Mario Maker, it's got a lot of prizes, and overall, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. In 2003, 23% of teens still smoked, and now today that's down to 7%. So as a part of the Finish It initiative, where we're trying to bring that down to 0%, we have the Mario Maker Finish It Challenge. The goal is for you guys to create and submit your best Mario Maker level over to truthxtwitch.tv, and on October 22nd, I'll be playing your guys' levels. Every time I finish one of your guys' levels on stream, we're going to be giving away different prizes throughout the day. That includes a Truth Twitch swag bag. I'm still not 100% sure what's in them, but in the contest details it said $100, so probably pretty good stuff in there. We're also giving away Nintendo 3DSs, and in the final half hour, every time I finish it for one of your guys' levels, we're going to be giving away a Nintendo Wii U to someone in the chat who uses the hashtag #FinishIt. Also, if you're looking for some inspiration, or just want to have a little bit of fun in Mario Maker, I've also made my own Truth-themed level that you can play with this level code right here. This level is 3 different boss rush rooms that I've created, each with their own different type of puzzle. And I've also been, just out of pure curiosity, seeing how fast you guys have been able to finish this level. So far, the fastest players have been able to go in around 30 seconds, which has blown my mind, and I want to see if one of you guys can beat that score. The final stream, where I play your guys' levels and give away all that stuff, is going to be over at my Twitch channel at twitch.tv/TheJWittz on October 22nd from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock Pacific time. You guys can be the generation that ends smoking, and if you want to enlist and learn more ways to finish it, you can head over to thetruth.com. Thanks guys for checking this out. I'll see you guys at the main event, and I'll also see you guys here with some more content soon.